Shen fans out there, including moi, because I am a fan as well. So yes, I heard your request, and you know guys, if you're asked for something, you are definitely going to get it. But before, ni hao to each and all of you people. I am Lizzie, and yes, we are here for another Zhou Shen reaction. And oh my god, guys, you need to forgive me because the last reaction I did, it got me so emotional and it's so embarrassing. It's not typical of me to be doing such. I only cried, how many times? I cried a lot. But not really a lot. It's like more or less 4 artists, the maximum. So with all the artists that I reacted to, that's Zhou Shen is one of those people, and oh my gosh, I'm just like beginning to get to know him, and this is what I am feeling already. This is crazy, man. This is absolutely, I don't know. He is one of those to be look out for, and I just wish him nothing but the best, and I just wish all the world to know of Zhou Shen. But before we even dive into that one, you all, may I please remind each and all of you to not forget to support Zhou Shen. So listen to his music and all streaming platforms, Spotify, iTunes, and all that, and let's show him some love and appreciation. And I don't know about his YouTube official account, guys. If any of you have any ideas to what his YouTube official account is, please do link me, because so far I only get the official fan base account. I really don't know his official account, so guys, please do guide me when it comes to that. But nonetheless, you requested for this one. You said this is a new one, and you are old, but it's when it comes to Zhou Shen, we are all for that. Okay, Rose Boy. I got it the other way around. So charm hook plus power rap. Guys, I wish I could read your language, but I just cannot. So just ni hao for now. Oh my gosh, but I do have a lot of Chinese friends though, but what I've learned from them are only bad words, so they're not good people. No, like paikwa. I don't know. They just teach me those like piaosi. Guys, I don't know what I'm saying, but that's what they teach me. I believe those are bad words, but nonetheless, come on, join me. Rose Boy, I'm excited for this one. Oh my golly. But before that, let's make sure this is on. Yep. There are captions, so much the better. Oh, there's an English and yes, come on, join me and let's listen and be amazed by this special person right in front of us, Zhou Shen. Come on, I'm excited. Oh my golly. All the roses have thorns, I believe. Guys, I'm loving the lyrics all together, just from the very start. But who sang this originally? But guys, let's not think about revenge. I know sometimes it is so, we get tempted to do all those stuff because we just feel so betrayed or whatnot. But let it pass, and let's just wish them the best, and good karma begets good karma, I believe. But okay, don't let anyone change you. That's so true.
Look, 睁眼看看我这一路怎么来的，随
I
便你
didn't
们
know
给
there
我
are
贴
two
上什
people
么样
here.
的牌子，是飞向大军压境，用食指指向天空，我在这就在这，哪也不去面如刀锋。感谢你们用言语把我推上脚架，为我的想念把糖衣炮弹烤化。生命只有一次，想得透彻，所以勇敢。我跟他们不一样，身体里藏着虎豹龙胆，牙齿中学会。
Guys, I know you hate it when I pause it, but I just have to say that I love the message here. he's like saying that, take all the negativity as a positive thing. Make those words become your inspiration to prove them wrong. Basically, that's what he's trying to say. I love it. I love when people do inspirational lyrics when it comes to their artistry, and dope. Go back.
感谢你们用言语把我推上脚架，我活得像烈日把糖衣炮弹烤化。生命只有一次，想得透彻，所以勇敢。我跟他们不一样，身体里藏着虎豹龙胆，牙齿中学会反击，格斗命运的扳机。每次挫折只会让我强大，当我看到转机如果伤痕是勋章，那我肯定是个将领。迷茫的孩子，让我用这首歌把你唱醒，身上带着刺，让我穿过每条暗巷。旅途很漫长，但方向不会淡忘。游过太平洋，但我再次站在岸上。少年终会相遇，玫瑰也终将绽放。
Guys, I don't know what's wrong here. The voice and like the the mouth movement are not synchronized. Maybe it's just because of how I clicked it. Let's just do it once again because I believe it may be on my side. No, we're not gonna start from the beginning. It's just that. Okay, let's move it forward. I just hope that their voices and their mouth will go.
生命只有一次，想得透彻，所以勇敢。我跟他们不一样，身体里藏着虎豹龙胆，牙齿中学会反击，格斗命运的扳机。每次挫折只会让我。
Let's see.
One day,
baby, you gonna be me.
It's still not.
说话如果不停，让我陪你安静。
I just synchronized. So you're really being free. I love how passionate he is.
我们从来都没忘记。
你的控诉没有声音，却倾诉更多的真理，却唤醒无数的真心。那朵玫瑰没有荆棘，最好的方式是美丽，最美的盛开是安静。你让谁去改变了你？你是你，我是你，都行，会有人全心的爱你。
Yes, I believe so as well.
玫瑰少年在我心里，这样看看我们一路怎么来的，随便你们给我贴上什么样的牌子。
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I am just so grateful that their message came across to a lot of people. Just for this instance, the audience themselves. I love it when it touches souls, when it touches, the hearts of people. And, maybe it's different as well when it's sang in your language and the understanding is more of like the way it should be compared to like translating it to English. Sometimes it kind of comes off as sometimes off, right? But I appreciate the artist who does this kind of music. Hands down, I have nothing against that one, and I'm all for it. In fact, oh my golly.
我心里，这样看看我们一路怎么来的，随便你们给我贴上什么样的牌子。玫瑰少年在我心里，这样看看我们一路怎么来的，随便他们给我贴上什么样的牌子。玫瑰少年在我心里。
这样 看看我们一路怎么来的，随便他们贴上什么样的牌子。
玫瑰少年在我心里，
睁眼看看我们一路怎么来的。
Man, I love this. I love this. I love this, especially the message. I truly do love it. Oh my gosh, that's nice. That's nice. That's really, really nice. Oh my gosh. I can't say it enough. I truly love it. Oh. And you know, guys, you know, I enjoy rap. I enjoy hip hop. Okay, I enjoy all type of any type of genre of music. But you know, guys, hip hop has a special place in my heart. And man, oh man, for him to be able to rap as well, that's mind-boggling. What can't he do? Man, oh my gosh. Zhou Shen, when will you stop blowing our heads off? Oh my gosh, he is one heck of an artist, and he is not to be taken lightly. He is in for this for real, and I just wish him nothing but the best, you all. And guys, I want to thank you once again for letting me listen to him, and you know, me being able to know of Zhou Shen. It's all because of you guys. I owe you that one, and I am truly a fan, and I just wish him nothing but the best. And speaking of the best, guys, let's try to be the best version of ourselves, you all. Let's try to be more aware of our surroundings and more understanding towards other, and let's try to be kind each and every single time towards the people around us. Who knows, we might save them from troubles, from torment or whatever, and who knows, guys, we might make this world a better place to live in, right? So guys, with that, I hope you did enjoy this one, because I am truly mind blown. Oh my gosh, this is absolutamente great. And with that, you all, I hope to see you guys next time.